stuck in our car right now because a lot of rain. Annabelle, what do you think? So far, is it hard or easy?
It's easy.
It's easy?
Yes.
Yeah. Have you ever worked on cars before?
No.
No. Your dad was a mechanic, no? Right?
Yes.
But for airplanes, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You're looking at my blue driver. Don't look at that.
This one?
No, that's the radiator cap. Oil cap is that one. Left. Uh-huh. There you go. Just take it out a little bit. Okay. You can put it back on there. No, you can put it back. It's just to let air in. And then this is to measure your oil. You could just take it like that. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, now you have to take out the oil, okay? Right here. I'll show you. Right here. You see this one right here?
Yeah.
This is the one where the oil is. Okay. And then the oil filter is right here. Okay?
Why? This one first?
This one first, and then we'll take out the oil filter next, okay? Put it in. Check the wrench. Look at the wrench. Look at it. Is it on or off? You want to take it off, right? So put it on off. There you go. You gotta figure it out.
This one?
Pull it. No, pull it. It's starting to rain. Do it. It's loose o no? Pull it. Lo tienes que desapretar, no apretar.
Oh, it's this one is
Cuando
left.
tienes resistencia le tienes que jalar.
Here.
¿Ah? Jálalo hacia ti.
Oh, this one.
Ajá, lo tienes que aflojar. Ahí está. It's starting to rain. Good job on loosening it. Okay, you can do it with your hands now. Give me the wrench. Give me the wrench. With the hands. There you go. Careful, the oil's gonna come out, okay? Wait.
You ready?
Keep going. There you go. Oh man, it's starting to rain. Close this up.
Very nice, huh?
Déjalo. Leave it right there for right now. Oh crap, it's starting to come down, guys. I got it. We'll put a tarp down just to not get soaking wet. Take out. She's taking out the screw again. We gotta change. These have a washer. Let me see the screw, baby. See, there's no washer on it. We have the washer stuck onto the pan. Get off. Okay, you gotta clean the drain plug. And then you gotta put this on it. Joint plug. Now let's put it on. Now to the right for the literature. To the right. What a day to pick a video change. Right now, okay? Yeah, keep going, keep going.
More?
Keep going. Yeah, stop. Clean it